Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by shutting the Imac down and unplugging everything. This prevents shorts and keeps components safe. Lay the Imac face down on a soft towel and use foam to keep it stable. You need both hands free. Next, heat the screen perimeter evenly for 2 to 3 minutes to loosen the adhesive. Use a hair dryer or heat gun on low. Once done, slide a thin pry tool into the top edge seam and rotate gently to open a narrow gap. This first entry point is critical. With a gap created, insert a thin plastic pick into the seam and keep it there to hold tension, then move 2 to 3 inches and insert another pick. You want a row of picks spaced about 1 to 2 inches apart so the adhesive stays separated. Work slowly and patiently. After each pick, wait 10 to 20 seconds so the adhesive relaxes and releases cleanly. Make sure you feel for resistance. If something snags, stop and reposition rather than forcing, because cables sit just behind the glass. Now tilt the panel slowly up from the top. As you lift, keep an eye on the lower right area where the display and camera cables attach. Once the top clears, support the screen with one hand and use a spudger to uncouple the cable connectors. Press the latch and ease each cable free before you remove the panel entirely. If the adhesive still resists, reapply targeted heat for short bursts rather than prying harder. Troubleshooting tip: if a cable is stuck, stop and inspect. Forcing it risks ripping the connector.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.